Namaskar, I am Riddhiman Biswas and I would like to wish each and every one of you out there a very happy Independence Day on our 73rd anniversary of independence. Yes, it has been 72 years of independence since 15th August 1947, but many years of struggle have preceded this and sacrifices have been made by many of our national heroes who have laid down their lives so that today we can enjoy the benefits of freedom in a truly independent country. The 15th of August is a very special day for every Indian because, of course, it's the Independence Day of our country and it brings about the sparks of nationalism and patriotism among each and every one of us. And over the years, we have always celebrated it together as a country, be it hoisting flags or remembering and paying tribute to our heroes. But this year, due to the ongoing pandemic and the conditions around, probably it will not be feasible to hold such elaborate celebrations. But it is still important for each and every one of us to hoist that flag in our heart and pay our respects to those who have laid down their lives. Because it is important to understand the significance of their sacrifice and the significance that a country should hold for each and every individual. Yes, we are an independent country, but we are still not independent from a lot of adversities, be it illiteracy, be it poverty, be it terrorism. And it is important that as a country, we are free from such evils, because once we are free from such evils, we can be a shining light for other nations and be even more greater than we are today. So again, I would like to wish you a very happy Independence Day and urge each and every citizen to take a leaf out of the Freedom Fighters book and build the same sense of passion and nationalism that the freedom fighters had, because each and every individual of this country has some role or the other to play, some contribution or the other to make for the benefit and the development of this country. I wish you again a very happy Independence Day and hope for the growth and development of this country to all-time highs. Jai Hind. Thank you.